Okay, bro, I'm having some technical difficulties. Okay, so back into it. So hey you guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. So if you've been watching my videos, then you have an idea that I low-key really love face masks. As you know, I have acne prone skin, so making sure that I do 2 to 3 face masks a week really helps soothe my skin. Once a week, I even steam my face with my face mask on to give my skin that extra penetration. Make sure I'm getting as much benefits from the mask as possible. So I decided, you know what, why not do a face mask Friday where I sit with you guys, do my face mask, chat, and let you know either how to create your own face mask at home or what face mask like I'm really liking at the moment. At the end of the video, I have a surprise for you guys.
Yeah, she does. She has a surprise for you guys.
Make sure to watch until the end of the video to see exactly what that is. So let's get right into it. This is a face mask that I've been using, I'm gonna say, for about a month now. And it is the Teami Detox Matcha Green Tea Mask. When I say this mask is bomb, this mask is bomb. The Matcha Green Tea Mask, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, so I'm gonna find the information on their website and like verbatim just word vomit everything to you. So the mask has 3 ingredients: matcha tea, bentonite clay, and lemongrass. The organic matcha green tea pulls out toxins from inflamed skin. It gets rid of redness and blemishes. The antioxidants in this repairs free radicals from the skin and helps repair sun damage. The bentonite clay gives your skin a natural glow. In my experience, the bentonite clay cleanses the pores and gets rid of bad bacteria that is deep in your pores to help clear acne. I wonder why they didn't add that, but whatever. The lemongrass gives your face an overall glow, so it lightens the skin. I wouldn't say that it has lightened my skin. I would say that it makes my skin a little bit brighter, if that makes sense. It's also anti-aging, so it's going to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines in your skin. So honestly, I could say that I've witnessed all of those things in this mask. I am addicted to this mask. Every single time I use it, I notice a difference in my skin. So I'm going to cleanse my skin and get right into this video. I'm not in my bathroom, so I'm just going to clear it off with some witch hazel and put on my serum. So I found using my steamer with this mask, I see more benefits in my skin doing this. So I'm just gonna turn on my steamer. I steam to open up my pores to make sure that gives more chance for the product to get into your skin better. I'm just gonna put on this serum. I have this 24 karat gold serum that I use. Serum is on. Let me know in the comments below if you would like some type of thing like this, like a face mask Friday where I go into DIY face masks that you can make at home and let you know about my favorite face mask that I'm using at the moment. Every time I do a face mask, I put my eye patches. Like it never fails. Like I want to make sure under my eyes are getting some love too. I think sometimes depending on the face mask, could be too harsh for you to be putting it right under your eyes. Alright, so my pores are like nice and open right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting on this mask. Hey y'all, it smells so good. You could order this online. I'll link my code down below. They also sell this in Ulta. Ulta has deals like all the time. They have like little coupons like all the time that you could use.
I'm just dropping that little gem right there. I'm just gonna drop that little gem of that 20% off, okay, you guys?
So I always put on my face mask while the steamer is still going. And as I'm putting it on, I'm making sure that that part of my face I'm putting it on is being steamed. So we're gonna do this hair first. And then we'll move on to the other half. So you guys, I need your help. I need your help figuring out what my next video should be, because I have no idea. I want to make content for you guys, so it would be really nice to know like what you guys are looking for, what your ailments are, what we could talk about. So I sit here, I steam my face for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to start a timer now. My steamer is finished steaming, so I'm gonna let this sit. It's set for 10-15 minutes and I'll be right back. So I'm back and I didn't think this through. So the sun has definitely gone down on me. It's a little bit darker in here than I would like it to be. So I'm gonna get up close and personal and show you guys how this dried on my face. So like, I don't know if you could tell, it has captured all of the little hairs on my face. This mask has sunken down to every single pore in my face. Like, it's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off like as fast as I can, and I'm gonna be right back because I have to wrap this up before the sun goes down. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I went ahead, washed my face, put on some toner and some moisturizer, and that's it. So I don't know if you guys could tell, but my skin looks super like supple and glowing. Like, when I say it lightens, I think it brightens the skin. My skin really looks like it's been brightened up. So let's get into why I had y'all watch this entire video. I just really want to say that I appreciate all you guys that have subscribed to my channel, and I wanted to do something super special for you guys. So I'm gonna do a giveaway when I reach 5,000 subscribers. I'm really close, I'm almost there. I just want to be super clear in regards to this. This video is not sponsored at all. I'm buying these things with my own hard-earned money and giving back to you guys and giving back to all of you that subscribe. I really appreciate every single one of you that have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate every single one of you that have commented. I really appreciate any of you that have emailed me or reached out to me on Instagram. I want to be connected to you guys. I want to give you guys the best advice that I possibly can. So I just wanted to give something back because you guys have given me so much. Just to subscribe to my channel is a lot to me. So I really appreciate that. So what I'm giving away is this facial steamer, because I really feel like every girl should have a steamer. Like, if you don't have a steamer, I don't know what's going on with you. So I'm gonna be giving away a facial steamer as well as detox mask. So one lucky winner is going to receive both of these items when I reach 5,000 subscribers. So you're probably wondering, okay, what do I have to do to enter this giveaway? And it's gonna be super simple. So first, you need to be subscribed to my channel. And second, I want you to comment down below what the next topic of Face Mask Friday should be. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. It could be anything from relationship advice, personal questions, skincare questions in regards to Crohn's disease or IBS. Literally, I am an open book. Y'all can ask me anything, super simple. And one person, I will announce at 5K the person that's going to receive this facial steamer and detox mask. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Good night.